Hello everyone, I am Mohan and today we would learn about clearance tactics. So first let us start with the easiest problem. I would request you to first pause the video before each problem, think about the solution yourself, then resume and see if what you thought was correct or not. So let's start. Here we can see if we somehow manage to remove this pawn, then there is a checkmate possible because the king can't move anywhere. This is the bishop. So how do we clear this pawn and open up this file? That's our target for now. So what do? We make this knight sacrifice. The king is trapped, it can't move anywhere. So the pawn has to take the knight. So it does. And then we make this check. So the king can't move anywhere. And the queen comes here, blocks, and then we have this checkmate. So once again, we make this knight sacrifice. And the pawn takes the knight. And we have this checkmate. Now in the second puzzle, this is similar, somewhat similar to the first puzzle. Here also we have a knight sacrifice. Here basically the situation is very congested, so we want to open up a bit. So the lines of attack could be this. If we somehow manage to remove this pawn, and we have this rook. So this could also be a possibility if we manage to remove this rook here, which is defending this square. So what do? We first make the sacrifice. If the pawn takes the knight, then we have this checkmate. Now, if this pawn takes the knight, then we have this check, this discovered check. So either the rook can come here or this rook can come here. If this rook comes here, then it gets pinned. So we can easily take this and we have the checkmate. But if this rook comes here, then what do? We have again this check and the rook comes here. And then we have this queen promotion. Then the queen comes here and takes, and we have this checkmate. So once again, this pawn takes it. Then we have this check and this rook comes here. Then we have this check. Then this. Then the promotion. The queen comes here, then takes. Then we have this mate. Now let's get on to the third puzzle. Here there is no checkmate, but we will try to still gain advantage. So what do? If we notice that if the queen is somehow managed to get to this square, it can attack the king and this rook simultaneously. So there would be a double attack. And we could get the rook. So we need to clear off this diagonal first. So how do we do that? We first make this sacrifice. The pawn takes the knight, and then we give the check. So here, if the king moves, then obviously we take the rook. But if the rook comes here, then we take the rook. So once again, we make this sacrifice. The pawn takes the knight. Then we have this double attack. Then the rook comes in and we take the rook. So now getting over to the fourth question. Here, there is a checkmate. What could be the possible ways of attacking the king? One could be from here. If we somehow manage to remove this pawn and open up this file, then there is a mate possibility because this is also there. So what do? We make this sacrifice, the knight sacrifice. So if the king goes here, then we have a checkmate, which is direct. So instead what happens, the pawn takes the knight. This pawn takes the knight, and we have this file opened as we had planned earlier on. So now the king goes here and we have the mate. So once again, what do? We have this knight here, and the pawn takes the knight, and this is the check. The king goes here, and we have our checkmate. So now finally, the final question, which is the toughest one of all. Here, although there is a battery here, which can attack this g7 pawn, but that is of no use here. By the way, you can see that we can get the rook here, but instead we would look for a checkmate. So what could be the possible ways? One could be if we somehow manage to get our queen to this spot, and the line of attack is along this file of our queen. So there is a possibility of a checkmate. So, and moreover, we will use this bishop's line because as you will notice soon, there will be a pin which will benefit us. So what do? We have to clear off these two rooks so that our queen can come here. So we make a double sacrifice here. Then the king takes it. Then again we give a check. If the rook comes here, then we can directly take the rook because this is pinned. One second, sorry. The rook comes here, then we take the rook, and because there is a pin, this pawn can't take it. This is not allowed. So the king comes here, and we again make a sacrifice. Then the queen comes in, and now the rook comes here. Had the rook come here earlier on, what would have happened? We would again make the similar sacrifice and get our queen here, and then we could deliver a checkmate. So I would show that after showing this. So this is the pin. Then the king comes here, and we have our checkmate. So instead of that, if the rook comes here, then this pawn can't take it. So the king comes here, then this check, and now we get our queen as before, and then we have our checkmate at h7 instead of h8 earlier on. Sorry, both of them were at h7 only. The rook comes here, then we have this check, and then we have the mate. So once again, going over the whole puzzle, there is a double rook sacrifice here. It is not usually common, and you can miss it in actual games. So this is check. Again, another rook sacrifice. Then the queen comes here, then the rook blocks it, but there is a pin, so we can take the rook. Then we have our mate. Now, going over all the puzzles once again quickly. This is the check. This opens up this file, and we have our mate. In the second puzzle, there's a knight sacrifice, and then this comes here. Then this is the pawn. If this comes here, then we have this check, and the rook comes here, and we have our mate. Now in the third puzzle, we open up this diagonal, and we have a double attack. Then the rook comes here, and we take the rook. In the fourth one, we need to clear off this file, so we make a knight sacrifice. Now the pawn takes the knight, and we make a rook check. Sorry, the queen check, and then we take a rook, and this is the checkmate. In the last question, there is a double rook sacrifice. The king takes the rook, then again, then another sacrifice. Now the queen comes here, everything is open. Now the rook comes here, then there is this pin, so we can take it. king goes here, and this is the checkmate. So thanks for watching. In more videos, we will look at some more interesting tactics. Thank you.